This is Path Divine, Week 8, Java. This week we started a currency converter in class, and how we did that was we opened up the command prompt and made our files from there that we are going to be using. And the first class we started was conversion class, where we import the IO exception, and then we put in the strings for our arrays. So for each file we made, which is a list of things, which each one is its own array, we create a new object for each one of those, and a new object for file management, which is another class we made. But down here we use a for loop to tell the program we're going to be going through every item in the list. File management, we import Java IO to use the utilities we want, and we create a new object for the file we're going to be using. We tell Java the tools we're going to be using, the utilities we're going to be using, buffer reader and file reader. And they're going to be strings in our arrays that we're using, and we want the strings printed. Over here in the main, in our currency converter, we use the IO exception again, and down here we create a new test, a new conversion class test, and we're gonna fill conversion rate. And down here are our tests for the specifications of our arrays, and what we want printed. And that's it for week 8.